We are in a state of emergency, climate emergency. As we speak, parts of our country are reeling under heavy floods, hundreds dead, thousands evacuated, and millions who have lost their livelihoods. Just a few weeks ago, Europe was reeling under a severe heat wave. The science is clear. We have brought this catastrophe upon ourselves. Modern development and our globalized capitalist system also is destroying our well-being. While only the top 1% has access to 80% of all wealth, there is a huge increase in our physical and mental illness. We also have to accept that this climate emergency is not created by uneducated people. Therefore, we must rethink education. As individuals, we can certainly do our bit, but together, we can do a lot more. So, can we, as students, as educators, and as parents, be part of the solution? Come, join us at the Bhoomi International Conference 2019 to learn from inspiring leaders and practitioners who are working towards creating a sustainable future. Enjoy the process of searching for well-being.